Have you ever felt like independence is this huge, scary thing that you somehow just magically need to know how to do? Like one day you were just dropped into a world and everyone expects you to have it all together: money, hygiene, bills, cooking, adulting, everything. Yeah, me too. But let me tell you something important. Hi, I'm the Independent Autistic, and on this channel we empower young adult autistics to independence on your terms, in your way, in real world scenarios. Let's talk about home, because autistic independence starts at home. Not in a job interview, not in an apartment hunt, not even in managing money quite yet. It starts where you sleep, where you eat, where your socks pile up. Home is your training ground. And the path to independence, that's what I call a home run. So here's how to start winning one base at a time. Number one, learn grooming skills. Start with grooming. Yes, brushing your teeth, showering, cutting your nails. These things may seem small, but they're actually your first armor. How you face the world and protect your body. Don't worry if it's hard or if you need reminders. Set a timer if you need to. Set alarms on your phone. Use a checklist. Whatever you have to do, even ask for help. But try. You're not failing. You're leveling up. In a game, sometimes we fail, but then we try again, and we level up. Next, clean your room, your space, your room. I know it's overwhelming sometimes. There's a lot of objects, too many things calling your attention, but this is your base of operation. And if you get your room right, it will lower your stress level and your system will become more tranquil. Start small, one drawer, one surface at a time, and then do it again tomorrow. This is how you train your brain to order, peace, and clarity. Number three, take responsibility for chores. This is where we build strength in chores. Yes, the dreaded chores, but hear me out. Chores are independent simulations. Every dish you wash, every sock you sort, every trash bag you take out, that's experience points. You're building your real life character. You do the dishes so you don't run out of things to eat on. You do your clothes, laundry, so you don't run out of clothes. You clean your car so it's safe and reliable. You don't have to love any of these things. You just have to learn them. Number four, train your independent skills. Start practicing any task you need to survive on your own, or any task that you need to get to the level of independence you are seeking. This might include handling money, paying bills, safety and emergency training. If you don't know how yet, good. That means you're about to grow. You're about to learn. Try. Try again. Try a different way. Ask for support and then try again. This is not failure. This is how humans learn. Number five, build your skill tree. Think of your life like a video game. Every skill is a branch to your technology tree. Cooking, that's one branch. Laundry, another. Dressing for an interview. Yep, that too is a skill. Practice 1% at a time. Just a little bit. You don't need to jump to the final skill today. Just take the next step. Do one thing and do one thing better than you did yesterday. Eventually you will be a strong, forceful character, not by magic or mystery, but by mastery. Number six, level up outside the home. Once your home base is built, start expanding outward. Cooking your own meals, basic shopping, using public transportation, dressing for interviews, making and following a task list. Every new skill gives you more freedom, confidence, and control. So here's your mission today. Take one step on your home run to independence. Clean one thing, learn one thing, fail, try again, and succeed. Because every bit of independence you earn is yours, custom built for your brain, your body, and your life. You were born different to make a difference. Please offer the customary sacrifices to the algorithmic god. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm the Independent Autistic, and I'll see you in the next step on your journey toward independence. Thank you.